Hello to everyone. 1, 2, 3. Do you hear me well? Okay, perfect. Yeah, happy to see you here. First of all, thanks to Odoo for this great event, and thanks to you for your interest to this presentation and to who will watch us in online. Today, I'm going to tell you about one more success story of Odoo implementation. But before, let me introduce myself. My name is Mikhail, and I'm head of Odoo department and Venture Tech. Our company works with Odoo only for already 12 years, and me personally, I have more than 12 years of experience as business analyst, consultant, project manager, and 8 of years related to Odoo. Please feel free to scan this barcode in case you will have any questions during the presentation, so you can ask them in the pad. Well, about the client, who is TH Electronics? We started when we met. TH Electronics came to us with old specialized system, and there were a lot of challenges, but this company have like 30 years history, and it's a leading provider of equipment repair, remanufacturing, re-engineering of electronics related with medical services in the United States. Yeah, so when we met, TH had old legacy system which had like a lot of issues, like lack of scalability, because this system didn't allow them to grow, to scale business. A lot of frequent system issues, freezes, as well as performance problems. High development costs, high costs on support, like also blocking business, and all this forced TH Electronics to start looking for a new system which can help them to grow and be a reliable technical solution. This kind of business, this is unique business. It's repair as a service. It added some additional challenges for us as for implementator. So first of all, it's custom workflows, such as evaluation process, reception, repair itself, were extremely important in the particular view. So it took some time to find a solution how to implement it properly. Then margin optimization. Some products make sense to repair only if they fit in particular time. For example, we had some products, and it made sense to repair them only if all time for the whole process is less than 3 minutes. With old system, with a lot of technical issues, with old design, bad UI, it was completely impossible. Next is advanced analytics, because there are some specific reports which are crucial for business in terms of taking decision, taking business decisions. Should we continue to do this or that? Which by default, unfortunately, not in Odoo. And error management, there are a lot of alternative and exceptional scenarios which actually become routine. So we also had to think how to deal with it. Next, I want to tell about some details of implementation and key solutions. So the core of our implementation was like sales, purchase, inventory, and it has to be said that for repair service, we selected manufacturing module. The reason is because repair module has lack of some functionality which was like crucial for us. For example, presence of work centers, ability to split to split repair process by operations, and quality control, time tracking. So all that were only in manufacturing module, so we decided to use it. Okay, so the process in this kind of business starts from receiving email which include PDF from customer. Manual entering data in the system is really expensive when we're talking about 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 orders per month. So we decided to automate this process. So once we receive email and PDF, system recognize it and create all needed objects automatically. It like sales orders with customer name, customer details, SKUs inside it, issue description, and other data. Next is repair order. Also, we need to understand what products there, what serial numbers, expected failures, and incoming delivery from this from our clients. And here we automatically identified like planned date of delivery, and again products and serial numbers. All these informations are linked. I mean, all objects linked to each other, so it's easy for employees to like. It provides good traceability, so we can switch between objects, and it simplifies our operation routine. Okay, so after we receive this request email, we completely no need any user actions. So it's dramatically reduced time on this operation. The second case is revision management. Sometimes clients want to change, to make some changes in orders or to cancel it. Our system also, like when we receive this kind of request, it understands that initial request was already created, so it updates all data, all objects, and notify responsible users. Let's talk about repair workflow automation. It's typically how it looks like. So first, we simplified reception process. We added custom reception wizard, which, like, as we have all these objects created in advance, it requires only one scan to see what product is it, and all needed information, like expected failure and so on and so on. And what user only need to do is to check information which is in front of him on tablet, and compare what we receive in fact. So also this wizard simplifies, as I mentioned before, alternative cases. For example, incorrect product received, or unexpected failure, and so on. So usually it takes less than, I would say, 30 seconds to check it and validate the operation. Also, we have advanced creation of work orders in terms of assignment to particular employee. When we do it, system automatically checks a set of skills of particular employee and workload of this person. So this way we can assign assign repairs for all available resources in the company. Medical equipment is quite complex, and some products may have more than 100 components for repair. Again, selecting them from the big list maybe not so not so easy and requires some time. To simplify this, we also adjust the logic and system analyze previous history of this product and repairs and suggest components automatically. So this also speed up the process and make life of technicians easier. Advanced tracking of orders. We added additional statuses so user who works with sales orders can easily find the status, what's happening with particular products, like received, enrolled, repaired, some issues around warranty also tracked. So we don't even need to jump between the objects. All information is available for us on sales order level. And quality control management, we use default Odoo quality control. It's really great and fit the requirements of our client. About inventory management, inventory processes were also improved. So first, we investigated, elaborated warehouse and proposed our warehouse map, how it should be. Then we prioritize locations, and this way we can build optimal routes for picking components, for outgoing operations, and which also increase performance of warehouse team. Next, it's interesting. It was interesting request that from time to time, in one case, we should send order by order. And for sales order, we need separate shipping labels. But we have some clients, some cases or requests from our customers where we use pallet delivery. So we can make outgoing operations, but we not deliver them. And for this kind of delivery, we need only one label for the pallet. And also, it was not possible to do with out-of-the-box logic, so we make advanced batch transfers, advanced routes. So now it's possible, and depends on request, system got this flexibility. And next one is label print. We widely use labels. It's for fragile products. We use product labels and some additional custom labels. So with our product, Direct Print, we were able to, and another product called ZPL Designer, we were able to create 15 different custom labels and documents, and we created print scenarios. It's around 10 print scenarios where all documents are printed directly just by clicking one button. And we have another product, Ventor Pro, which helped a lot on warehouse operations, on reception, on outgoing transfers. It also saved a lot of times because using this application, our client processed transfers, batch transfers, inventory adjustment, some internal moves, and so on. As I told above, for a lot of things are fully automated. So based on particular scenario, system creates different workflows automatically. We also widely use activities. It's powerful tool feature from Odoo, and we use it to coordinate the work of departments and our technicians. It's important because the company has production space around 200 square meters, and to avoid additional communication, we decided to use activities like tasks. And we have around 40 types of activities, and 20 of them created also automatically. And it's not only just creating single activities, but just chain of activities. And this allowed us to systemize processes and promptly solve problems or issues. We also implemented the feature on activities which allowed to assign particular activity or chain of activities on group of users, not on particular one. And any user from this group or from this department can process it. Reporting and analytics. Along with standard Odoo reports like sales reports, inventory, accounting, we developed some specific reports which are crucial for this kind of business. First is profitability analysis, allowing us to understand like are we like in our margin target? Does it make sense to continue with this particular product? Or we need to adjust something in terms of processes. So it's a really crucial report, as well as employee performance analysis to be able to check are we in timelines for particular particular repair, because we have like expected time, and like we can check if everything is okay, or we have like particular employee who do better or worse. So it's also important. And the product repair statistics, because again, in this type of business, the same product can be returned to us several times. So we need to understand like how frequently this product broke. Like also about warranty, we want to check like what how often this particular product broke under warranty period. So about results, we launched this project 15 months ago, and within this time the business grows by 52%. A range of supported SKUs for repair increased by 21%. During this time, 30,000 repairs done in Odoo. As like per customer words, significant optimization of warehouse process was done like using our mobile application. It's become really fast and, which important as well, accurate. So no mistakes in warehouse processes. Then, as we have automated processes, I showed this automatic flow, like when we receive email with PDF, resources needed to support requests reduced by 80%. Precise processes ensure margin targets. Yes, we set up Odoo and like helped, like due to Odoo great UI and our customizations and Odoo capabilities at all, we were able to even meet these margin targets for such difficult cases when we have like only 2 or 3 minutes. So every second is important here. Integrated accounting module. Previously they had separate accounting system. Now it's not needed, which also simplify operational management. Increased trust from large corporate clients because of clear processes. This client works with huge, huge organizations, so it's really important to have a great trust for them, because it's additional opportunity to do more and to grow. And faster onboarding of new employees. Odoo is much simpler than their previous system, so employees happy and they like to work with system and really happy with it. And I also need to say that this project we continue it, and like every other client, if he sees that it saves time, it helps to optimize processes. They want to invest in it. So we already have scope for next, I would say, half a year. So we want to integrate HR module. We have some improvements of evaluation process. So yeah, customer happy, and I really believe that we will together for a long time. Thanks. And one more comment. If you need more details or you want to know some our other experience, please don't hesitate to connect on LinkedIn. And also, I mentioned our product, Venture Pro, and for you who is sitting here, if you just scan this QR code, you will have 50% discount on it. Thanks, and I'm ready for your questions.
Thank you for the great presentation. The first question we get is, you receive PDF documents to create sales orders. Is there some artificial intelligence that recognizes this PDF?
No, but our solution allows us to quickly adapt to other templates from customers. So I would say we have around 10 big customers where we're using it, and as per our estimations, it's around from 10 to 20 hours to implement additional templates. For bigger clients, it's not a big deal, and this effort for sure saves time for future.
Right. What do you think why this client has chosen your company for this project?
Well, actually, they had experience with another client. It was not successful, unfortunately, but I think that we start always with proof of concept, just to show client that Odoo is a correct system, that it's a reliable solution and can cover needs and expected growth of company. So it was not a big deal, Odoo mighty. So, but we prove it at the beginning, so client knew what to expect. So, and the implementation was very smooth.
Are there any lessons learned or pitfalls to avoid?
Well, I would say that this is a good lesson, maybe not for us, but for clients who have some doubts about migration from old software, because of course you used to have previous system, and it's a step forward to change it. In the beginning, indeed, you need to adapt to it. Maybe it seemed not so comfortable as previous, but this case showed well that when you are not developing as a company in terms of technical solutions, in one moment you're stuck and you can't grow at all, and you start losing on the market. So that's why I would suggest, and not too afraid. Start with some proof of concept or discovery phase that show them capability of Odoo and how Odoo fit their particular business.
Seems like this project involves a lot of customizations within Odoo. Do you provide any instructions and training to ensure smooth adaptation to these custom features?
Yep, definitely. Indeed, there was because of specific of this project, we added some customization for sure, and yes, during the implementation we have learning period for client, for key users, for end users in the system. So yeah, they were well prepared, and again, it was not a big deal to start using Odoo.
All right, so far these are the only questions in the pad, so if you have any, just put them in the pad. Otherwise, we can conclude.
Okay, thanks.